Welcome to Crypto Night. My name is Fair, and in this video, I'm going to give you an update on the Bitcoin price. In my last video, what I said was if Bitcoin closes a weekly candle below the 20 weekly moving average, then the downtrend is confirmed. I am going to give you an update on that right now because Bitcoin just closed the weekly candle yesterday, but I'm going to show you something different right now in the charts. Now, let's bring the 20 weekly moving average. Now, this is the 20 weekly moving average. As you can see, we closed well below the 20 weekly moving average, but right now is not the time to be bearish because I know that this really happens in an uptrend, but there is a chance that the uptrend is still intact because if you look at this, we didn't close below this last low of this trend. If you had closed a weekly candle below this 32,300, then we would have made a lower low. A lower low in a weekly time frame shows that the asset is in a downtrend. So we didn't get that. We didn't close a weekly candle below this region right here. So right now we still have a chance to go up and test this 20 weekly. And when we do that, we would see how it reacts. I know that the price could further go up here to $44,000 and get rejected. And when it does get rejected, it will further retest this 20 weekly moving average until it gets broken. So we are going to wait and see how it plays out in the coming weeks and months. Let me show you something in the price history of Bitcoin because this has happened before where Bitcoin closed a weekly candle below the 20 weekly moving average. So we are going to go back in price. Now, this is way back in July of 2013. As you can see that Bitcoin closed below this red line, this 20 weekly moving average, and soon after the next week, it went to test this moving average. Now, this is a classic price movement, and so that's what I am looking for in the chart right now. And I'm going to show you a short-term technical analysis that would support exactly what I'm saying. This is the current price action, and I'll have to go to the 4-hour time frame to show you exactly why I think this is going to be possible. Now, this is the 4-hour time frame. Now, let me show you something in the price chart. Let's draw a trend line because Bitcoin right now is testing this trend line. Let me confirm if I draw this correctly. Okay. So right now, Bitcoin is trying to test this trend line. The trend line currently is around that $37,000. If this trend line gets broken around this region, then Bitcoin could go further up to test this resistance. And where's the resistance located? At around $44,000. Now, this is exactly where the 20 weekly moving average is. We could go to test this resistance, then get rejected before another leg upward. Something like this. We could go up, test this resistance, come down before another leg to the upside. Now, this is a scenario how it could play out in the price chart. There's another reason why I think this is possible right now. If we go over to the daily time frame, now let's bring up the oscillators. You would see that the oscillators are starting to go in the upward direction. That means the trend is about to go up from here. So it could go from this oversold region to the overbought region in a short period of time around this week. So this is another reason why I think that the price could further go upward to the $44,000 region. Now, based on what I've said, if you want to trade this, you would have to go to the 4-hour time frame. What I am going to do is that I am going to put in a long position immediately when Bitcoin breaks this trend line. I'll put a long order right here, and I would have to take my profit anywhere at this region, anywhere above $40,000. Now, this is an easy trade if it does plays out. Now, this is exactly how I am going to play this. In my next video, I am going to give you an update on how this all plays out. Now, this is going to be it for this video. I truly hope you enjoy this kind of content. If you truly do, please hit the like button and try subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.